Alright, so first grab this part here and pull it out. It's actually really easy. And gently lower this part down here. And then straighten out this part. And then you can lift it up to the level that you want. And then just put your thing in here. Put your bolts in where you want to put it. So now we're just going to put it away to store it. So remove the bolt here, pull the pin, and lower it down. Now fold this part down into the middle, and then it just folds up here. You lift it here, on the we lift it from the centre here, so it just lifts up here at the centre. And that's it, ready to go into storage. Disconnect this too. It's a bit easier to do it when it's before you do this actually, but there we go, came out easy that time. And yeah.